guys excited to make a movie?
Yeah!
All right.
Action!
There you go. There you go.
From just a tiny seed, something great will grow, but with the gentle flow of water, we shall never know. Waterfall. Waterfall.
See?
Get it? The second waterfall is probably the one you should get. Let's do the waterfall. I want to do up there. Action.
There we go.
What is that? It was in the leaves. What is it? Seeds. You give me one of them. Creating from out of the formless while climbing against our shared fears. Comparing the mountains to where the sky is forever near.
So creating the form out of formless. And then what's the second line?
Let me check. Second line. Against our shared fears.
Conquering?
Conquering the mountains to where the sky is forever near. I know. Mountains up there.
So what is it? What is a typical fear of people? Yes.
Heights. Height.
Exactly, and that's pretty high up. Dude, you found that quick?
Yeah.
How did you even know where it was? What do you have? Telekinetic powers?
Rocks up. It's very easy to tell something's not normal when things are stacked up. What is that anyway? Egg-shaped. Can I chalk? Can I please have blue? Rolling in action.
Thank you, brother.
There is a unique tree that dances so vigorous at night among us forest that is cracked.
There is a unique tree that dances so vigorously at night. If you're not listening, you're not going to know, kids. There is a unique tree that dances so vigorously at night amongst the forest that it cracked the all-nourishing earth. Follow this rocky path and it will again show you your worth.
I didn't see two big rocks. Well, this way then.
Otto, where do we go?
I have no clue where Bob is. There's a kind of lizard that can live with any part of his body part lost.
Really?
Part of its body
And
lost.
what's the lizard called?
I forget.
It's called I Forget?
No.
That's an interesting
I
name
keep
for a
forgetting
lizard.
what it's called. Otto, yeah.
Are you running out of gas?
Yeah. There's a gas station right over there.
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Right here. This is another one that we got. Otto, can I pass them out? I'm gonna give you blue. Jenna.
To right with.
Action.
There we go.
Overlooking the water with a magnificent view, a perfect place to venture when one is feeling blue. Cross over the bridge and make your way back home. Remember that you are nature. Remember that you're never alone. The end. Back where we started, except down by the river. The river.
The reservoir.
The reservoir. Okay. What? Okay, let's go. This reservoir is home to thousands of fish. Where is the treasure, mister?
I don't know.
Where is it?
All right. Iris plants irises.
What did you get? Hey, I call red.
All right. Once I have everyone's attention. Henry, beautiful job. What did you have for everyone?
Glow sticks. Yeah!
There will be some final parting gifts. Now, I didn't say farting gifts. I said parting gifts.
Fart for the win.
But first, we have to make our way back home. But no one is to sprint and run ahead. We're going to stay together as a group.
That was so fun.
It's crisscross applesauce, brother and sister.
There's a beehive right up there.
Strike a pose.
That's That's a wrap.
I'm just kidding.
Can I?
Mom and Pop here to give you guys some goodie bags because it's a family endeavor. So happy birthday. Noah. Lovely. What are you looking in there?
What in the world is this?
Awesome. I feel the back is the best part, brother.
I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow.
One can only hope. Thanks, guys. Thank you again.
Are you gonna film us getting eaten by a bear?
That is the only reason why I bought this camera, to film you guys getting eaten by a bear. Yes, how'd you know?
Yeah!
We're still rolling. We get bloopers too, so you guys can take on bloopers. Harvey. Action.
Action.
Copy. Thank you, Amelia. And what are the rules? Be kind. Listen, be respectful when people are talking. So, director, call it.
Cut. Thank you. And action.
What?
Eli said maybe because he's gonna pass a cut. That's a cut. We have nature's rug.
Take two. And
I'm Michael and I am holding the camera.
why do I look constipated?
This guy's getting constipated. We eat stinky chickens.
Iris is saying.
Shaped like a rhino. The auto. Wait, is it?
Otto, are you having fun on your birthday thus far?
Yes.
Good, man. How do you like the movie at Making Element?
Great.
And you, Miss Iris?
Hello.
Henry, don't walk on shrubbery, please. Be kind to the reservation.
Wait, that's strawberry?
No, shrubbery, shrubs. Don't get run over. I don't want to document that. But,
They were tickets to Broadway.
tickets to Broadway? That's on the next movie making adventure.
There are hidden treasures at each of these spots. But first we must figure out where to go to grab them. The most beautiful shots. This poems be your
Harvey.
rap. I've said enough. That's my rap. You said that already.
This is going to live forever.
Where's that treasure? Where's the treasure?